Okay, from here, go to Team Tools, Email Center, Email Groups, Email Message, who you want to send it to. So I'm going to find you. Subject. And then delete this. Come up here to this little picture. And you want to upload and choose file. So just like attaching a file, find the file you want. I'll do this one just to show you. Click open. Click send it to server. There's the picture. You can adjust the size if you want to. You don't have to. You can always change it once you can see it and hit OK. That puts the picture in there. And then from there, sometimes you can edit the size. And sometimes you can't. And then you hit email now. This is just going to you. I'm not going to send it.